This is a in a mobile application design, and basically if we go to home, it's gonna be the same as our desktop version. There's new products, upcoming events, fall winter collections, and next page. This is menu bar, card, menu bar. Everything's pretty much the same. Let's go to one of them. Let's go to buy it from users. There's different categories to choose from. Jacket, knit, clothes, tops. More will be add on. Let's go to this shirt. Uh, this is the description of the shirt and the size, the condition, color, and let's go ahead and add it to cart. There it is. This is, and yeah, that's everything about the app.